Good afternoon, all. Camelback Trading 2724 coming to you this Friday afternoon, November 29th. So it's the last day of the trading month is done. Half day. Pretty quiet. Sellers won the day today as we had consolidated, and then late in the day, in the last two time frames, and in the last one, take out Wednesday's low. We fill our gap, take care of the poor low that we had on Wednesday. We now have a poor high today on Friday. The price probe from G period on the 26th held like a magnet again, bounced down to it and rallied off it. But we'll see now as they've probed it basically on Wednesday and now again today. We'll see going forward if the sellers want to get below there. Opportunities, I took one small trade in B period on a short for a little bit. That's it. I had that position that worked out very well. I was more than happy with that today. Destinations now going forward for the month of December, last month of the trading year. So on the upside, we now have 4 destinations. First one will be the price probe, which is E's low of 314.42. Now, most downside price probes have not been accepted. So we'll see what goes on Monday. That holds true, or sellers decide to change things. Then we have today's high of 315.13, which is also a poor high. Then Wednesday's high of 315.48, which is now a monthly high and an all-time high. And then 315.60, which was the overnight all-time high from the 27th. For the downside, we have today's low of 314.06. Then we have 12 wide at 313.80 from the 26th. 313.46, which is our afternoon pullback low from that same day. And then 313.06, which is a daily low from that day. Below that, we have 312.95, which was 11 wide on the 25th. 312.83, which was an afternoon pullback low from the 25th. 312.68, which was the lowest accepted price from the 25th. And then the real important one as of now, 311.98, which is a weekly low. And then filling the gap at 311.24, 74-point gap from the 25th. So there are a lot of places where there were buyers on both the 25th and the 26th. And we'll see if they get tested next week, if they're there again, so the monthly can, so the weekly could continue to one time frame up. So let's go to the charts. The month is done, 1 month left. After an 8-month balance, this month we come out of it to the upside on a gap, outside month up where we took out the previous month's low, closed above the previous month's high, and now this month gapped higher. So the monthly, again, very healthy. Weekly, 8 weeks in a row now, we've one time framed up. That's pretty impressive, but I think we're starting to get stretched. Like I said earlier this week, the first 3 weeks that we one time framed up, I had no problem with it because all we did after being down and we came into balance that first week, right, was get to the top of the balance. We finally came out of it on that 4th week. So I expected to go higher, right? Balance and excess. So you come out of balance and you expect a move. Well, not only have we gotten a move, we've gotten a pretty damn good move. We've now one time framed up an additional 4 weeks from there. So at some point it would be healthy to at least balance in the weekly before trying to go higher. And the daily, after one time framing up for 4 days with a couple of gaps, we close one gap, we stop the one time framing up, so we're basically in balance. You can call it up to balance if you'd like, or just balance. Remember, balance is up to the individual. Not everybody's going to have the same balance. So up to balance on the daily, still in good shape. There's still, though, a bunch of poor structure below us that I think would be healthy to repair on the daily and to come into balance on the weekly. Hope you had a decent day trading today. Not that much happened. Have a great weekend, and we'll speak prior to the opening on Monday.